Hi guys, this is Advait Thakur from XD Developers, and today in this video I will be showing you how to make a professional Android web view application with splash screen and share button. In my last tutorial, in my second last tutorial, I have already shown you that how to make a professional Android web view application. But I am again showing you that because I got many comments and mails that they are not understood the method because of some noise pollutions and other issues. So I'm again making this video in three parts, or if it will be combined in two parts, in two parts also. So this is the first part of this tutorial. So for this app, the code is necessary for implementation and can be copied from here. So this was that tutorial, and some people have not understood that. That's why I'm again making this. So first I will explain you what is the Android web view application, those who are new for that. The Android web view application means it is an Android application which is showing the view of web, view of any website or blog or whatever it is. Then the features are having a splash screen. So a splash screen is basically an image which is opened before the app is started. Uh, it is also on, means you can also see an example on YouTube before the YouTube starts, that the splash screen appears where YouTube is written. So that is the splash screen, and the load animation, it is also there in YouTube. While some content is being loading, then the circle is appearing. That is the loading sense. So this, and then the share button. So there will be a text set in this codes, so you can edit that text and share it to any applications. The requirements are you should need a Windows or Mac computer with Android Studio installed, and if you are knowing about Android Studio, it will need JDK7 installed. And no need of knowledge if you are watching this tutorial. Don't try this directly or directly going on my website. First watch this tutorial and then go to this website. The link is given in the description. So let's start. First of all, sorry, this is the application which I am working on, one signal application. So this is one signal. You can visit onesignal.com. This is a pushing notification service. It is good than the pushbots. I have also made an video on pushbots, introducing the pushbots, and I will be also making a video on SDK integration and how to make an app with pushbots. And after that, I will be making how to make an app with one signal. So wait for that. So now we will start it. I have already created the project here, and I have not edited nothing. Means not edited anything here. So we'll start first. First we'll edit main activity.java. So go here and click here. First code main activity.java. I have also hosted this with GitHub, so you can go here and also see it. The link is given here only below the codes. So copy it from here and paste it from third line. Sorry. Okay, so now we have pasted it. It will give you some errors while starting, so don't look it now. We'll fix it afterwards. I am showing you this pasting method. You can directly paste it from here only, because we don't have that much time to type the all the codes. So now we have to make an an Java class, that is splash.java. So copy the code. Just don't copy this my package name, otherwise it will give you error. So copy from second line, and for making a Java class, click on Java, then whatever package name is, then right click on your package name. You can see a new Java class, then type here splash. Don't no need to type Java, and remember that don't change the name. You think that will change the name and it will not give any error, but it will give you error because we have included in every code splash only, whatever the name is. So don't change it. So now we're done with this. Now we have to again make a new Java class, that is my app web view client. Here also same, copy it from second line. So now it has been done. Now we have to make again a Java class, that is my app web view client. And remember that don't give any spaces between, because the name of this code is like this only. Now copy this from here, my app web view client, from second line, and then paste it from second line only. So now we have to edit activity underscore main.xml. So full, there is no package name or whatever that. So go to activity underscore main.xml and replace this full. Okay. So now we'll edit. So we will make a new file that is activity underscore splash, and here is the code for that. So copy this and click on layout, and you can also go with layout resource file. I will show you. So if you type here activity underscore splash, it will be same only. Okay, and if you go through new and XML layout XML file, this will be also same. So it's upon you, whatever your choice for that. Then paste it here, and now we have to make we have to edit menu underscore main.xml. So copy this code from here, and then go to menu, and here you can see menu underscore main.xml. Paste this here. Now editing Android manifest. So copy this full and paste it. And yes, there is some editing here because we are replacing the uh, package name also. So remember your package name and again paste it, replace that with my. Here you can see. So I've remembered my package name. Okay. So now we have done. This is a permission we are taking for providing internet connection. There will be only one permission there, and then this activity splash activity. Keep the main activity as default and this as launcher. And now finally values part, editing the strings. Here also there is some editing. So I'll go to strings.xml, and this is a demo app name. Then after replacing, you have to make it whatever your app name is. So I'm again making a demo app. Okay, so now all the errors are gone. Now the editing part. So here you can see this line mWebview.load URL, then your URL whatever it is. So replace this with my given code. Suppose I will take this. Okay, so now I have replaced it, and again editing is here. This is the text. This will be the first line of the text, and this will be the second line, so you can edit it here. Now I am editing this only, and I will show you the preview in my next tutorial. So with dvnson.github.io, so I have done with this. So there is editing in my app web view client and making a splash screen. So for that, please watch my next tutorial. This is a part 1. I am Advait Thakur signing off.